Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about my December giveaways. Okay, you guys, let's get started. So in this giveaway, this December holiday month giveaway, I have a bunch of stuff I want to give away to you guys, especially because I am very grateful for all my subscribers, all my supporters, those who support me on my Instagram, on my Twitter, on my YouTube. You guys are really, truly amazing, and honestly, I want to give back to you guys. That's just the main reason, to give back and to do a fun little giveaway with you guys. So here it is. I have decided to do in my opinion, a pretty big giveaway from what I'm doing. And yeah, let's get started. So I decided to make this giveaway into three different boxes, three different sections. That way there is at least three different winners. So in this first box of giveaways, let's talk about what we're going to give away. So the first item I have in this first giveaway is by BH Cosmetics, and here it is. This has 26 shadows and a blush palette. So obviously the cover shows you, the shadows and the blushes on the bottom. So there's that. The next item to my giveaway is the 24 karat gold and amber shoal cosmetics collection. Here is the cover to that. And just to show you guys what the shadows look like, I'm just going to go ahead and grab mine out real quick. So here is my 24 karat gold amber shoal palette. And when you open it up, the colors are nice golden colors. So if this is your vibe, definitely go ahead and enter into this giveaway. So the next item I want to give away to you guys is this item right here. This is just a nice little hair wrap. Basically, you can use it to kind of wrap your hair around, have your hair pulled back. That way when you're washing your face or taking off your makeup, your hair is out of your way. So I got this from Amazon, and I have the pink one, and I decided to give away the white one. So here it is. Cute and, practical, good. Alright, so next item I want to give away is this Mary Kay shower gel. Here it is, and why not? I mean, everyone takes showers, so here is a nice Mary Kay shower gel. Another item I threw in there is this right here. This is the Ole Henriksen Transforming Walnut Scrub. This item is very nice, and if you love to use a nice walnut scrub, why not try this? Another item I threw in there is the Madison Reed Color Protecting Conditioner. So that is this item right here. And of course, another hair beauty product is Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. And this one is infused with dead sea salt and sea kelp right here. So that is that. And last but not least, I threw in the Mario Badescu Super Collagen Mask. And yeah, that's it. So that is the first box of giveaways. So now let's talk about our second box of giveaways. And I have it right in front of me. So in this box of giveaways, I'm going to start off by giving away this cute little makeup bag. Super cute. It's like, what do you call this design? Like a chevron design or whatever. But here it is. Here's what it looks like. Super cute. It's like a magenta color. Has a nice zipper on the end. You can open it up. And I put like little tissue paper or whatever so it keeps its shape. But yeah, a nice little makeup bag for you guys. The second item I threw in there is this Jergens Natural Glow Daily Moisturizer. I figured, why not? Everybody wants to glow these days, so a nice little natural glow will help you with that. Another item I threw in there is one of my favorite lip oils. This is the She Makeup Lip Oil. If you've watched my videos before, I've used this plenty of times. It's amazing, it's nice, it's great, it's clear, which I love, and when you put it on, it gives like a nice little plumped glossy look to your lips. The next item I threw in here is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter, and you guys know how much I love my heavy metal glitters. I have a ton of them in my makeup collection, so I picked out one of them. This is the shade called Distortion. Really pretty, really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and, can I open it up to show you guys? Yeah, I can. So I'm gonna just open up the box so you can see what's inside. So I know it's out of focus, but you guys can see, look at how gorgeous that looks. I mean, just imagine that on your eyelid or just anywhere on your face that you want to put on. Gorgeous. If you love glitter, you are going to love this Urban Decay product. So the next item I'm throwing into this giveaway is this right here. Is a nice, cute Physicians Formula nude palette. And as you guys can see, the colors are perfect for like an everyday look. It doesn't have any matte shades in it, but they are like a nice velvety, smooth, soft color. If you, let me take out my palette right here. It's much older than the newer one, which is this one. So I'll open mine up just to show you guys a better look at what they look like. And these colors are, again, the one I'm holding up right now is mine. And they're just colors you can use every day. And I thought it was perfect for this giveaway number 2. Just because you can like throw it in this cute little makeup bag. So why not? I put that in there. And the packaging is adorable. Look at this packaging. Nice laciness to it. That's cute. Alright, so in this giveaway, I also decided to throw in this BH Cosmetics Wild Child palette. Look at this. Rawr. Wild Child. So on the back, it shows you what these colors are. So those are the colors you'll be getting. And, you know, all this stuff you can, like, look up and Google to see what they really look like. But they are, again, the colors are right there. I also decided to throw in some ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. You guys, ColourPop makes some amazing makeup, especially their Super Shock Shadows. If you haven't tried them already, I mean, I think you'll like this giveaway number 2 just because it's pretty amazing. So this giveaway number 2 box will have 4 ColourPop Super Shock Shadows, and these are some of my favorite. I mean, honestly, I want to keep these. I'm not gonna lie, I want to keep these for myself, but I do have a ton of them, and I have these colors already. I have them, but I still want to keep them. That's how much I like it. But I decided to give it to you guys. So the first color here is called Cheap Date. This is like that perfect gold color. Just a perfect gold color. Perfect gold. When you think of perfect gold, Cheap Date, perfect gold. The next shadow here is DGAF, and we can all kind of figure out what that stands for. Here it is, and that is the color. I know it's still in the box, but I mean, you can kind of see what it looks like. So the next color here is called Set to Stun, and this is what it looks like. And last but not least, I feel like out of all of these colors or shadows, my very favorite one is Lightning Bug. This is just a nice, really pretty color. It's just, this is like my favorite. I mean, I can use this and just kind of like swipe it on my eyes, put some mascara, and I am done and good to go. It's just one of those shades or colors you can put on and just be done with your makeup super quickly. I love this. So 4 Super Shock Shadows if you want to try that out. And then last but not least, in this collection, I decided to throw in a little, I guess, skincare item, since these are all like kind of makeup based. I threw in the Foreo Luna Play. This is the mini version Foreo Luna. So I have the pink one, and I decided to give away the purple one. So if you want to try this out, this is in giveaway box number 2. So there's that. Giveaway box number 2. That is all the giveaway for number 2. So last but not least, here is my third and final giveaway. The first item in this giveaway is this cute little fan right here. Look how adorable that looks. And I know a lot of you guys have like that fan that you fan yourself while doing your makeup. You put on your setting spray and you know, fan that away. But sometimes, I don't know about you guys, I like to like fan myself like this, you know? So just a cute little fan. I thought it was nice to put in the giveaway. The second item I threw in this giveaway is this right here. This is the Real Techniques sponge. If you guys haven't tried this, here is your chance. A nice little sponge to try out. The third item in this giveaway is the Wet n Wild 3-in-1 Cucumber Primer Water Prep, Set, and Refresh 3-in-1. So here is what I'm talking about. If you want to try that, that is in this giveaway box number 3. The next item I have is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. You guys, I've used this and I love it. And in my older videos, I talk about why I really like this item. If you want to try it out for yourself, go ahead and enter this giveaway. Here it is. And let me just show you my Peach and Lily Glass Skin item. So that is what it looks like. If you open the box up, you take the lid off. There it is. All right. You'll be getting your very own Peach and Lily glass skin. And if you guys are all about having glass skin, pick one up. Or, enter the giveaway. So, there's that. The next item is the Becca. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. You guys, this is like some crazy, like, black magic, I swear to you, because it's powder, but when you place it on your skin, it feels wet. Hence the word Hydra Mist. It like you can set your makeup and it chills on your face. So, like it says on the back, set and chill. It's pretty cool. So, if you want to try this out, it's nice. And yeah, so here is this giveaway box number 3. The next item in this giveaway is this cute 11-piece brush set. This is by BH Cosmetics. It's a nice metal rose color brush set. And it comes with a cosmetic bag inside. So, I didn't open it, but you kind of see what it looks like. The brushes and the bag. So, there's that. And then, last but not least, you guys, the final giveaway item in this box number 3 is the Tati Beauty Palette. So there is that. This is a really, really gorgeous palette. Honestly, when I first got this palette, I got 2 of them because I knew immediately that I wanted to keep 2 of them for myself. I knew the colors were going to be beautiful. There's like a part of me that still doesn't want to give it away just because that is how much I freaking love this palette. So here's my palette. It's kind of dirtied up, but still works like a charm. First of all, how can you not love this palette? Look at how beautiful that looks. It's simply just gorgeous. It's upside down, but it doesn't really matter. So here it is. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. Does that not look amazing? And I was afraid that once I'm done using all these colors, I'm going to want another one. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this palette is limited. So, once they're all gone, they're all gone. I could be wrong, but I think that's what she said. But, I wanted to give back to you guys, and I figured not everyone had the chance to try out Tati's palette. I really like this palette, you guys. It's really good, and it's just perfect for an everyday look. It's just perfect. So, that will be in giveaway number 3 box. Alright, so here are the rules for the giveaways. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That is a given, obviously. So this giveaway is for my subscribers only. So you must be subscribed to this channel right here. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2, you must like this video and give it a thumbs up. So go ahead and click that like button. Super easy. Takes literally no second of your time. Click that like button, and now we move on to rule number 3. Rule number 3 is it is for US only. I apologize if you're not in the US, but this is for US only. Rule number 4, you must be 18 and up. If you're not 18 years old or over, you will not be able to enter this giveaway. So you must be 18 and up to enter this giveaway. Rule number 5, your notification bell must be turned on. So if they're not turned on already, go ahead and click that little bell icon, turn on your notification bell to enter this giveaway. Rule number 6, you must follow me on my Instagram. It is at Quakamole21. All that will be linked down below. And rule number 7, go ahead and comment down below where you're from and your favorite animal emoji. So just simple 7 rules. It does sound like a lot, but honestly, you're just subscribing, liking, commenting, and following me on IG and turning on the bell. Pretty much like more than half of it, I'm sure you've already completed. So that is pretty much it, you guys. If you forget the rules, you can rewatch this video, or I'll list them down below in the description box. And that's it, you guys. All right, good luck to those who enter. This will be a giveaway going on for however long I want it to go on for, probably for like a month or so, and then I will close the giveaway, contact the winner, and that will be that. So go ahead and Yeah. And by the way, comment what your IG handle is. That way I know I can contact you. Maybe I'll contact you by email, but comment your IG handle and or email or whatever. So there's that. Okay, you guys. Good luck to those who enter, and I hope you guys enjoy these giveaway items I'll be giving to you guys. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys, and good luck.